Make Genesis power tools the beginning of your next DIY project. This Genesis 10 inches compound miter saw with laser features a powerful 15-amp motor, while competitor models only offer 14 amps for the same price. The included 60-tooth blade is great for finishing carpentry cuts and means you don't have to spend additional money for a quality blade to start your project. Laser-guided cutting offers better accuracy, and an electric brake stops the blade within a few seconds after releasing the trigger. An arbor lock makes blade changes faster and easier, and an included hold-down clamp assists in withholding the work in place for safer operation. Add the Genesis 10 inches compound miter saw with a laser to your tool collection today. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Safe and powerful. The electric brake stops the blade in seconds, and arbor lock for quick blade changes. Number 2. Laser cutting guide. Know where the cut will be ahead of time with the integrated laser guide for quicker alignment and improved accuracy. Number 3. Versatile for every project. Use compound cutting for crown molding, shadow boxes, picture frames, and so much more. Make precision miter cuts up to 45 degrees left and right, with 9 position stops at commonly used angles. Number 4. Make bevel cuts up to 45 degrees left. Perform compound miter cuts with ease. Number 5. Using compound cutting for crown molding, shadow boxes, picture frames, and more. The Genesis compound miter saw is inexpensive and versatile. Number 6. Includes 60T carbide blade installed, hold-down clamp, dust bag, 2 extension wings, blade wrench, and 2 AAA batteries for laser. Number 7. Arbor lock for quick blade changes. Number 8. Die-cast aluminum base for portability and better accuracy. Number 9. 9 positive detent miter stops lock firmly in place for faster setup and accurate cuts. Number 10. Max cutting capacity, 45 degrees by 45 degrees, height 1/3 inches by width 3/5/16. Number 11. You're covered. Genesis power tools are warranted free from defects in material and workmanship for 2 years after the date of the original purchase, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.